Hello to everyone, in this video we'll talk about how to create consistent image in Midjourney version 5. Some time ago I published a video how to create consistent image and then was about version 4. But few days after Midjourney announced a new version 5. And now that methods I showed in previous video are not working for version 5, but they still work for version 4. So if you don't need to use version 5, you are free to use the same tips I showed in that video. In this video I will show you two methods you can use to create consistent image in version 5 of Midjourney. So stay tuned, hit the thumb button, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell to see when I produce a new video. There are two ways to create image in version 5 of Midjourney. Let's show you the first one. Let it be cat that playing with a ball. And if we hit enter, we will see version 4 of Midjourney image. Here this image, version 4. Now let's do the same, but in version 5. Let's copy paste the prompt, Command C. Imagine prompt, Command V, and in the end you need to add version 5, enter. And let's see, just see how the big difference is. Version 4, version 5, incredible. Okay, the next one, you need to go and type settings, hit the enter. And now you can change from Midjourney version 4 to Midjourney version 5. And now you don't need add this / version 5 to every your prompt. And now I will show you the first method you can use to create consistent image in version 5. Let's go. First of all, we need to create our characters that we want to use. So let it be and hit the enter. As you can see, Midjourney add version 5 to my prompt. And here is our character. Let's see, we need to choose what character we most interested in. For example, let it be maybe the second or first one. Okay, now we need to do the same. You just click to reload and wait. Okay, here we are. So now we need to choose from the second image the characters that are similar to the first one. So I think maybe this one similar to this one. Okay, let's do it again and reload. So again, our third image. I pretty believe that the first is similar to this one, yeah, yes, pretty similar. And the first one, here is the second image and there's first. And for example, let it be our last image. So click reload and wait. And here it is, let's check. I think this one, the second, is our. Or maybe the third. No, I'm pretty sure the second one is better. So now we need to upscale every image we chose. So the first one upscale, from this one it was the third one. Here was first upscale, and there is the second. And wait. And I fully understand that this is a pretty random choosing the character from your book. If you want to be more specific, you need to be more specific in prompt. So now we use very short prompt. You need to describe here's face, color of the hair, nose, how it looks, maybe jacket, boots and something else. So your prompt will be much longer than mine. But the main idea, you need to create a few same pictures and then I will show you what you need to do with them. Now we need to open the browser on each one. We need to get a link from all these images. Okay, this one. Okay, where is the first one? Let's try again. Here it is. Okay. Now let's copy paste the link. And let's go back to our Discord. Start imagine prompt. Command V. Command V. Command V. Command V. So we collect all links to our images that we chose. Now let's add our prompt that we used before. Cartoon style. Command C, Command V. And now in the end we need to add such prompt as imagine weight 0.75. What is it, this image weight? Let's go to the docs of Midjourney. There you can find everything about image weight. Let's go. So there is the best explanation. Use the image weight parameter to adjust the importance of the image versus text portion of a prompt. It means that your image is more valuable than your prompt that you type in. So there are some examples. There is a few images. Statue and flowers. They didn't add anything. They just take statue, flowers, and then hit the enter. Yeah, we see the statue around these flowers. The next statue and jellyfish. Just add jellyfish. Here it is. Statue, wave, statue, lichen, statue, flowers, and lichen, sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it right. So the main idea, your image is more valuable than your prompt. Let's go back to our Discord. So we took 4 images that more valuable than our prompt. We add this image weight of 0.75 and hit the enter. Let's see. And here is our characters. They are pretty similar, but of course has some differences. But as I said before, if you really know what you need to be more specific and describe their hair, style, boots, jackets, and so on, color of maybe t-shirts. And in this case, they will be more consistent. But the main idea that this prompt use more images that we create before. So if our previous 4 images were more described, we will see now more similar character. So let's change something. Copy paste, Command C, imagine prompt, Command V, and let's change cartoon style, little boy in a full body, smiling face, playing in the yard with a ball, and hit the enter without version 5. And here it is. Just check the first one and the second one. The same character with a ball. So the same thing. Imagine prompt, delete version 5 and add something else. And hit the enter. I hope Midjourney understands that PS means PlayStation. We'll see. And as you see, Midjourney doesn't understand what PS means. I really don't understand what Midjourney wanted to show us. There's some package of something. Okay, toaster, film, hard to say. Where's your this? Okay, let's go back. There is first method you can use to create consistent imaging in version 5 of Midjourney. But remember, you need to be more specific to create consistent image. And now you also understand how prompt image weight can influence on your image that you want to create. Now I will show you the second method you can use to create consistent image with seed number. Some of you said that seed number doesn't work in version 5, and you're half right. First of all, let's create our character. Let's be more specific this time. Let it be cartoon style. And hit enter. Okay, now we see that our character more or less similar. So envelope emoji for seed number thing doesn't work for upscaled images, but it works here. Envelope. Now you see that Midjourney showed me seed number, but not here. There is Midjourney bot. Go here. There is seed number. Command C. Let's go back. Okay, I forgot to mention that we need to choose our character one photo. For example, let it be this one, the first one, upscaled. We need to get link from one image. Okay, let it be this one. Open browser. Copy. And let's go back. Imagine prompt, Command V, copy paste our prompt, Command C, Command V, and now we need to add seed number. Okay, seed. Let's go direct messages, seed number. Okay, enter. Here is our character. So let's copy paste and change something. Let it be imagine prompt, the link to our first image, our prompt, and the seed number. So let it be little boy with a black hair, smile face. And here we are, the same character. Let's see. Pretty similar. For example, this one and this one. I don't know, this and maybe this or this. Okay, let's try again. Imagine prompt. Let's see. Here we are. Our character with a ball, and on the background there is some kind of city. I hope you caught the idea how you can create consistent image in version 5. Two ways. The first one, you need to create a few similar images and use image weight to increase the value of your images. And the second one, with more specific describing, you take the seed number of 4 images, upscale 1, and then you can change the background and whatever you want. That's why choose a variant you're more interested about and create the ideal character for your book. So I hope this information was useful for you. If you're interested, there is a video that YouTube recommends special for you. And in the end, don't forget to give me a thumb button, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to see when I produce a new video. So wish you good luck and hope I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.